As those summer celebrations continue, our focus shifts now toward the patriotic. We take pride in representing the flag in clothing and decor. My first guest today says we can add a little Americana to almost anything with just a few scraps of fabric. It's called the Coastal Patriotic trend, and this popular style creates an effortless look that is easy to DIY. Kris Thurgood is here today to share ways to apply your patriotism to every area this season. Welcome back, friends.
Hi.
Coastal patriotism.
Yeah, you know, it's just a little bit more of a washed out look, and so I love the coastal vibe and the feel with kind of the more muted blues and softer reds, and it's fun. I love it.
The loud, glittery, in your face.
Exactly. Yes, exactly. It's definitely a little more subdued, and it's kind of fun because you can actually pair it with so many other, you know, fabrics and things that you have going on in your own home right now.
And I love it as well because you are seeing it everywhere. You're seeing it in all the high-end boutiques and brands, Anthropology. I'll throw that out there. But it does feel a little more approachable if you don't want to feel too themey. I don't struggle with that.
Yeah, right,
I'm like, bring it on.
Right.
But if you don't want to feel too themey, this is a way to dip your toe in it.
Yes, exactly. So very fun. And you know, when you have really cute fabrics to choose from, how could you go wrong?
And we know you always bring those for us. So let's start with the flag.
All right. Well, you know, nothing feels more patriotic than a flag, right? You got to have flags everywhere. I say put them in the planters, put them in the window boxes, put them in vases, wherever you can.
We pulled them out over the weekend, and last year, apparently, before season's end, I bought a big 24-pack.
Did you?
And Lucy Goose got a hold of those. Next thing I know, we had flags all over the lawn.
Well, there
all over.
You go.
24 of them.
She's very patriotic.
Yeah, she was. But flower pots feel like a good, more tasteful way to do it.
You know, and with these fun fabrics, it really is super easy to do.
These are darling, Kris.
Thank you. So again, just go through your scrap bin of what you have of fabrics and pull out a few things that maybe don't scream patriotic, but when they come together, they really, you know, make a statement for sure.
And isn't that the fun of it? When you put red with blue, no matter the pattern, whether it's paisley or polka dot or checked, it does take on that feel.
Oh, heck, you can go through your Christmas fabric and find some reds, right? And just be able to throw it together. So let me show you how simple this is to do. First off, you've got a couple of pieces of fabric. Again, you're looking for maybe a cream of some sort or white if you want to go more coastal. And then you have a piece of batting that just lays in between. Take it to your sewing machine and simple straight stitches, my friend. You've got this.
I've got this.
Yep, you absolutely do. And you're just going to just go right through there, just creating a pattern of some stripes. Trim it all up so it's all even. Add a scrap of blue. Notice that I'm not even worried about turning the edges under. I like the frayed look. It actually adds to that more coastal vibe.
Agreed.
And then just sew that on. And then once that's done, take one of these little sticks and just wrap this baby around.
Hot glue.
Hot glue.
Look at that.
It's going to be your best friend. And now you've got them all over the place, and it's really, really fun and cute.
It is fun. It is darling. So fun.
Yeah.
You say we can wear this trend as well?
Absolutely. So let's take a look at my denim jacket over here.
I'm obsessed with this jacket.
Isn't that the cutest?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, so simple to do. Again, the whole idea is the same thing as what we did with the flags. We've got the background fabric right here. I'm just going to place it right onto that denim and just do a straight stitch all the way around, leaving the edges to fray. That's what I think adds to the uniqueness of this. I'm going to add a little blue right here, but this is the kicker right here. Let's take some rope instead of fabric.
I love this.
And just put it right down there. And then when you sew down the center of it, that's what's going to give you kind of that look of two pieces of rope in between each other.
It looks separated, but it's just a stitch.
But it's just a stitch. That's all it is. And then again, notice how the edges are frayed. So again, just a really fun vibe.
I like how you left kind of a border too around the blue patch in the corner because it again adds to that raw kind of rustic look.
That raw edge is really, really popular.
Cute.
So you take a look at these pillows, for example. Let's look at this one over here.
Yeah.
One of the fun things about this is what they call like an embroidery blank. This is what I mean by that, is that they come open, these little pillow forms, if you will, they come with the edges open. So that makes it super easy to go ahead and embellish to your heart's content.
Well, someone was thinking.
Exactly.
With the creation of that one.
Yep.
Smart
and again, take a look at that. And we've left the raw edges to fray. And then
there's
you
already
take
a zipper on
something
it?
like this. Yes,
Oh my
isn't
heck.
that even better?
Yes, sorry.
Even better.
Yes.
I know, let's have a moment of silence
I know.
for the zipper,
Sorry.
right?
I'm sure that's
exactly.
not a new product for all you sewers out there, but for
Well,
me, that's like smart move.
So smart.
Okay.
But you know what? Even if you didn't have these blanks around, you could just take an ordinary pillow that you have that you're like, I'm ready to just, you know, spruce it up a little bit. But here's this. This is called a chenille brush. Looks very much similar to a toothbrush.
At my
Yeah,
house,
well,
but
you know, that
okay.
works too. You know, just make sure you don't use it again. And then, and then you just rough up those edges all over on the sides.
Fun.
Just like that. This is where you get your aggression out, Brooke. Or just send the kids to task and just
let them
go at it. Yeah. And then, you know, you just insert a pillow form in here after you put your right sides together and you stitch all the way around. You've got this darling pillow. Again, some fun coastal fabrics going on here. And you want to try it,
I can't decide if
you
someone...
can't help yourself.
Well, I can't decide if someone is a smart cookie also for making this, or if they just know we're suckers and that we'll buy a big toothbrush in the vein of sewing
whatever
and
it takes,
crafting.
right?
That is fun. That is fun.
Yeah. So again, very, very simple to do. And again, we're also looking for, you know, if we want to stay with what is really on trend right now, it is that coastal flair.
Yeah,
for sure.
I love it.
Yeah.
I see little touches too with just the fabrics coming out.
Definitely.
These coasters are adorable. Can we finish there?
Yes, absolutely. The coasters are super fun because all it is I took a little tart pan right here.
Is that what that
that's
is?
That's removable. Yes. Yes, and I said, well, that's cute. Wouldn't it be fun with fabric, right? Because, you know.
It's kind of what you say to everything that you see.
Add fabric to anything and we're golden, right? So all you're doing here is you're going to take your little paintbrush, dip it in some Mod Podge, glue it on, cut around.
Oh my goodness.
And that's what gives you these
Look
little
how
guys.
cute this is.
And it's so simple.
Oh, that's so fun.
And it took you just a few minutes, and you have just this added level of, you know, patriotic flair in your home and in your
even for an outdoor patio setting.
Your parties are so
that
fun.
Wouldn't be too precious,
right?
but would
and
look
then
really
just
fun.
You know, be able to switch it out if you want to. Super simple. So
I love it all, Kris.
Lots of really fun ideas with fabric. Easy peasy.
But
we're all about that.
I would say two themes to these projects: easy peasy.
Yes.
I'll borrow your phrase. I love it, and also cute fabric at the source and at the center of all of it, which this woman can hook you up there, right?
Absolutely, yes. Come see us in Logan at my girlfriend's quilt shop. We're up north, and we're always there.
Beautiful Cache Valley, a great place to be.
Beautiful Cache Valley, and then you can also find us on our website 24/7 at mygirlfriendsquiltshop.com.
And dare I ask when fall classes are coming out?
Already.
Really?
Oh, absolutely. Are you kidding me? We got to get ready for Halloween, the Christmas, all the things.
From
right?
patriotism to pumpkins. They are thinking ahead on behalf of all of us. So we'll link you over to My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop on our website so you can peruse, shop, and maybe look forward to some fun fall classes too. Kris, thank you so much.
You bet.
Coastal Patriotic.
Yes.
Is that it?
Absolutely.
We're feeling it.